Hello all, welcome to OdinSchool. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT for coding. ChatGPT was created by OpenAI, an AI and research company. The company launched ChatGPT on November 30, 2022. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with the chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks such as composing emails, writing essays, and code. Now let's see why do we need to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT can save time by answering your questions and completing tasks quickly and efficiently. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write an email, translate a document, or summarize a piece of text. ChatGPT can help you come up with new ideas by providing creative text format of text content like poems, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, etc. It can also answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended questions, challenging questions, or strange questions. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of tasks, making it a one-stop manager for your productivity needs. ChatGPT can translate between languages, making it a valuable tool for communication and research. You can use this revolutionary technology for your own benefit. To access ChatGPT, you can visit chat.openai.com. Once you click on this, you will see a page which asks you for login or sign up. If you do not have created an ChatGPT account, you can create it by clicking on the sign up button. Once you create an account for ChatGPT, you can click on login. Once you click on login, it is going to ask for your email address, or you can also continue with the email account that you have used for signing up a ChatGPT. You can click on the email that you have used to create a ChatGPT account. Once you click on it, it is going to land you on this page. On the left side of a page, you can see all the searches that you have made, and on the right side of a page, you can see a search bar where you can prompt any message. For example, what is the meaning of life? And once you click enter, it is going to give response to your question. Likewise, you can ask any question and get answers quickly. For an example, if you want to ask about any code, let's say, write a code to add two numbers, and once you click enter, you will see the result accordingly. So this is a one-stop solution for any of your questions that you have in coding. Thank you.